Danny and I have just travelled back up to the flat. We've been at my house for the past week dog sitting for my parents, but we're back up now for the day to pack everything away because we're moving out. If you haven't watched my last couple videos where I spoke about it, our landlord is selling our flat, so we have to move out, which is very sad. And it's all been very, very quick. And we get the keys to our new flat tomorrow, and then we have to be out of this flat on Wednesday. I'm getting so flustered. I've tried to take this like 3 times and I just can't do it. We came up for a couple hours yesterday to try and do some stuff, but we really didn't get very much done. So we basically have to do everything today. So I'm a little stressed and I just do not see us getting it all done in time. But we have like a couple hours tomorrow to do it as well. This is the current state of our room. I did this stuff yesterday. I don't know where the lids are to those, which is a bit annoying. And then everywhere is just a mess. I did a couple more things there. I packed like literally what, 5 boxes of clothes, and I still have probably more than half of my clothes left in the wardrobe. I did a bit of stuff there, and then here is just a complete mess. Like I literally don't even know where to start.
Maybe we should be split. That's what we did last year. We put half of it. Second box packed of the day. Out of probably literally 20.
Okay, I have got all of my clothes out of this cupboard except a few jackets that Danny's gonna put in his suitcase, but we have a lot of stuff down there, but I'm not gonna look at that right now. I'm going to now go on to my wardrobe, which is still completely full. Most of these books are Danny's. This is a really good book.
Super short, super sweet.
Just a nice book.
Makes
if
you feel
anybody
good. Well, no,
is looking for some suggestions. I've just finished packing most of my clothes away. I think that's pretty much all of them done, except I've like put on a few washes and stuff, so I still need to pack those clothes away. But apart from that, it's pretty much done. Now I just feel like I have so many like random different things. And shoes, actually, that's gonna take ages. It's really annoying because before we moved, I was planning on going through like all of my clothes and pretty much everything I have and trying to like throw out some stuff and like take stuff to charity shops and stuff like that, and I just can't do that now because there's just not enough time. So I'm gonna have to do all of that in the new flat, which is annoying because obviously we're gonna be taking stuff that I'm gonna end up not keeping, but there's just not enough time. It's too late to do that now. Also, when you really like put all your stuff out, I'm like, I have an excessive amount of clothes. Like I feel like I was always like, I have a lot of clothes because like I love fashion, but looking at that many bags and boxes, I was like, this is ridiculous. So I'm definitely gonna try and get rid of some when we move into the new flat, but it's probably not gonna happen because I'm like physically incapable of throwing anything out. I look such a mess and a bit sweaty. It's actually really warm outside. What to do with like all of my university notebooks, because like I'm probably never going to use these again or look at them, but I feel like it's such a waste to throw them out, but I don't need them. I don't know, I feel like I shouldn't throw them out. I have no idea. Okay, we're about to leave the flat. I wanted to give you an update. We've just been packing all day and one of my friends came over and helped, which was very, very useful. So this is the stuff in this room, but you gets a lot worse. So there's stuff in here. The kitchen is pretty much clear, got a wash on. And then this is where it gets really bad. This is all of our stuff. Yeah, it is. There's a lot of stuff. We're gonna go back home now and have some dinner, and then we'll come back here tomorrow and continue our packing. We don't have a whole lot left to do, but we need to like clean and stuff. And then we get our keys tomorrow evening and we'll take everything there, and it's probably gonna take really long, but at least we did the majority of it today, and it was really helpful having Millie over to help with that.
I'll wait till you get closer and then we'll go. That was okay, but yeah, we just had to. But you still have. It's 2 days. So.
It's due on the Thursday, not till 4.
We're back up at the flat now. We came back up a couple of hours ago, and I literally have not done anything. I like didn't sleep last night. I was watching the Met Gala live stream until like 2:30, and then my lips are so dry, and then I couldn't really get to sleep, and I'd fall asleep for like 10 minutes and then wake up again. So I'm very tired, and my period has just started, and I'm in so much pain, and I just like don't know how I'm gonna move all of this stuff feeling like this. But I need to not complain, because we're like, it's not exactly like we're doing something terrible. Like, we're literally moving into a new flat, and I am excited about it, but I just like don't really know what else to do. We still have other stuff to pack, but because it's just like such a mess in here, I feel like we need to move some stuff out, and then we can like figure out the last few bits we need to pack up. We don't get our keys until 6, and I just feel like this is gonna take so long, and we need to get all of it out tonight, because I think our landlord or the letting agents are coming tomorrow to do like the inspection and stuff like that at 10, bright and early. So we need to like clean and stuff before that. And I just cannot do this, but I need to not complain. I'm just in a lot of pain right now. I need to just get out of bed. I've literally been lying in bed for like 2 hours watching TikToks and feeling sorry for myself. I'm gonna try and find a hot water bottle in one of these bags, and take some ibuprofen and just try and push through the pain. I also look like such a mess. I was laughing at myself last night sitting in bed watching the Met Gala and like critiquing everyone's looks, and then I look like this almost every day. I sometimes wear nice outfits. I haven't been recently, but they'll come back when I'm less stressed.
Probably clearing the hall first might be the best.
Yeah. Should I take the shoe bag? Starting to pack the car. We probably will have to take quite a few trips to get our stuff, but hopefully Danny's dad's gonna come and help us. But right now it is 3 minutes to 6, and we're gonna drive to the new flat and get the keys. I'm very excited because I haven't seen it. We just arrived at the new flat, so I'll give you a tour. So there's like a hallway here that goes straight out onto the garden. Nice hallway. There's me. And then if you turn this way, here is the bathroom. We haven't brought anything in yet, but that's the bathroom. And then here is the bedroom, some wardrobes there, quite a lot of storage, which is good because I have lots of stuff. And then there's a desk there which Danny can work at. She's got some like photos on the walls and stuff, but she said that we could take them down if we wanted. Kitchen, which is very nice. I always thought like when I was younger that this was like the fanciest thing ever, so I'm very excited to use that. Oh, I think it has water in it, so maybe we shouldn't do that. There's one cupboard here which has the washing machine, and then there's this really strange cupboard which is like kind of spooky, but Danny can like put his bike in there or something. And then coming into the living room, this is what it looks like. Nice bookshelf there. And then there's a mezzanine up there which we'll probably use mostly for storage. Well, I guess if we have any guests they can sleep on the mezzanine, but we'll probably use it mostly for storage. So very good job to Danny for...
Oh, I was so nervous.
For saying, what is that up there? Good job to Danny for going with this flat because obviously I didn't see it. Very big. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna put the stuff in whatever way it goes in. Are you okay?
Yeah.
The living room is pretty much clear now. We still have a few things to take, and I need to take those flowers and just a couple extra things, but that's it, pretty much done. I look an absolute mess and I'm starving, but Danny wants to go to the pub.
The word dude or D-O-N.
We have just ordered a Chinese takeaway. I got some chicken fried rice, some salt and chili chips, and then some prawn crackers, and Danny got chicken fried rice as well. This is our final meal in the flat.
Sad times.
Very sad.
Happy times though. Change is good.